music, I am a Wolfpack. It's Walaxy Wolf here. To whoever's new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, TikTok, and Twitch. So Wolfpack, this is the last day in Rome, and we're going to be heading off to the NCL Epic today. So let's get into the video and let's do this. Okay, Wolfpack, if you look straight up, there's a hole in the roof, and there's some stuff that I'm going to show you in Pompeii that has the same thing as well. But I assume there should have been like a hole here in the middle somewhere, so that, you know, when the rain comes in they can use it for like baths back in the Roman Empire times. But yeah. Okay, so Wolfpack, I hope you've been enjoying the Mediterranean vlogs, and remember, together, forever, Wolfpack.
Would be an awful big adventure.